job.
How do we open this?
Just start ripping it.
What if this is from? Because I don't think it's another SpongeBob.
Open it on this side, baby. Grab it right here. Yep, pull up. There you go, keep going. Oh my goodness.
Wait, it's just a box. I don't know if this.
Oh my goodness gracious, what is that thing?
I don't even know.
What's it look like?
Oh,
Let me see.
yeah.
Wow.
What is it?
It looks like a table and chair and maybe some, maybe this has art stuff in it for you.
I don't know if Santa gave me that.
I think he gave it to you, buddy.
Give me that. Oh, it is. My goodness. That's so big. I don't even get feel this.
That's pretty neat, huh? One of those you can take it wherever you go things, man.
Oh, this is a big one.